fucking kidding me? What the fuck are you doing, dude? What a fucking idiot, eh? These fucking bikers, man. They don't know shit. Are you okay, dude? Dude, you can't come out like that. You're right there in the left lane.
You can't pass me on the right.
Yeah, because you came out.
You can't pass me on the right going straight.
You
cannot pass me on the right going straight.
Dude.
You got a camera.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, you can't pass me on the right going straight, man.
You
gotta go right. You gotta wait for me. You gotta wait for me. You gotta wait for me, man.
Dude,
you can't pass me.
You came in front of me.
Dude.
I'm going faster than you.
Dude.
You came in front of me.
I was in this lane.
You cannot come here when I'm coming up behind you. You have to stay here. This is where cyclists stay. You were not here. You were here.
This is one lane.
You were here.
There is no this side or that side. This is one lane. I'm a vehicle. You have to stay behind me.
Dude, you're gonna go on YouTube because of this shit. Because you want to argue about this shit.
Dude, I don't give a fuck if you put me on YouTube.
Yeah, of course.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go take a picture of your license plate.
Yeah, okay, you go ahead and do that.
I will.
Go ahead, right now. Go ahead. Go right ahead, come. This guy's arguing with me about it.
You're completely wrong, man.
How am I wrong?
On the right.
Dude, he cut me off.
Go past someone on the right.
I'm
It's that
trying to
simple.
stop.
Fuck, you're just an idiot driving. You don't pass someone on the right with a cyclist.
Dude, he came in front of me.
You're just an idiot.
He came in front of me.
You're an idiot. I saw the whole thing right behind you.
Okay, go right ahead.